Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. So open REALME Link application, then tap at your earbuds as the device list, and after that go to the three dots at the right top. At the first line we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so tap at this line if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. Next step is to check if you have the latest version for your phone. So you need to go to the settings, you can write in the search software updates, so tap at this line and check if you have the latest version for it. Next step is to disable dual connection, because with dual connection we may have connection instability. So let's open REALME Link application, and now you need to be in the earbuds menu. Right here at the bottom we have dual device connection. Tap at this line, and if you see a colorful background at the slider, tap one time at the slider. We just disable it, check, maybe this fixed your problem. If it doesn't, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, then open it and check, is it fixed? Because your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. If the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then, at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of them simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. At the left side we have a button forget with the trash icon. On your phone it may be forget device button or unpair button. Tap at this button, then click forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or click refresh button if you have this button, but I need to tap at the pair new device button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!